Welcome to Disclosure Studio. Disclosure Studio is Gravity's new tool in creating automated and GFOA compliant ACFRs. Here's the landing page of Disclosure Studio. To enter any of your reports, simply click on the report you want to edit. Here in the report editor, we have three general panels. On the left side, we have our report tree or report navigation panel. Here we will see all the various sections of our report. In the middle, we have the section editor panel. We can change any of the information or data included in this section. And on the right side, we see the preview panel, which will show us a preview of what our data looks like. A couple of important buttons for you to know about are the refresh button here in the top right-hand corner. If we were to change any information here in the section editor panel, you're going to see up here that a red circle will appear beside the refresh button. If we click then on the refresh button, a new preview of this section will generate. As we see here, I've changed the fiscal year from 25 to 26. To navigate between sections, all we have to do is click on that section and we will see all the content loaded in that section. To start adding information, tables, narrative to your ACFR, all we have to do is click on the section above where you want to add something. So we see here we have a statistical section divider. We click on the plus sign to the right of that divider and click between any of the options presented here. In this case, I'm going to click on content. A content page can be used for narrative and financial tables. I'm going to quickly go over some of the basics of editing a content page. The page header will change the header inside of the page template. So if I type here, statistical section, and then click refresh, we're going to see in the top right corner, our header has gone from introductory section to statistical section. Moreover, we can add header to this section to say, here is our debt per capita. We could add a text table here. We could then go ahead and add an actual table, whether it be an automated table from the MDFM, an Excel document, or a manual table. It's very easy to add and move any information inside of the Disclosure Studio. All we have to do, just click and drag, and now we can move sections very easily within the page. All we'd have to do is click refresh to see what it will now look like. Now you have all the tools to get started using Disclosure Studio.